Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com. LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review, February 19th, 2024. I have been having a head cold this week, so bear with me. In front of us is our YOF Wave. You can see here the stocks that make that up into the index with our indicators being used at TradingView, which we this week hopefully will have those available for purchase if you would like to have those. So again here, it looks like Friday was a little bit more kind of an upthrust type action short term. You can see we are 48.68 on the technometer. Force is trending lower. So again, short term, we think these markets could work a little bit lower. Our Wyckoff Wave new index has been working a little bit lower. Again, top left, you can see the stocks that make up that index that we put together. Same thing, 48.62 on the technometer. The force index is trending lower. Optimism, pessimism index is following price on the other indices, but not here. You can see new highs on the OP in blue, while price isn't. That's a negative divergence. Again, a reason we're looking for lower prices. And then our Wyckoff Wave growth index, same type of thing. Looks like an upthrust may be there on Friday. 47.7 technometer. Let's look for a little bit lower. SPY, we do have some divergences here between the blue line, the OP, which is volume, and price. You can see that, first of all, price went up, volume didn't, and then last week, volume went up and price didn't. So we think that's kind of a double divergence. We did offer a sell back there a week or so ago. Technometer is overbought, so once again, stock indices look lower. TLT, I've been trying to pick up a low here, maybe an ABC off the highs. We talked about around here at 96, we could go to new lows here short term. For that correction, we did get that. The technometer, as you can see, is 48.74. That's near overbought. So we're wanting to be a buyer here, but for now we're on the sidelines. On crude, I've been talking about crude trying to make a low here. These are the light crude oil futures at NYMEX. You can see we are overbought, but we do have the OP making new highs. Price is ready to break out. We think that'll happen, especially if you look at the XLE, which we are long from 84 and change. Small profits. Friday, again, looked a little bit of a type of an upthrust short term, but we had a divergence here where volume went to new lows. Price didn't. We also had one of those at the previous bigger lows back here. So again, we think this market's trying to break out above that 86, 87 level. So let's see if we can get that done this week. On gold, GLD, the Gold Trust ETF, same type of thing. You can see new lows here on the OP, price holding. Hopefully that gave us a rally Thursday and Friday. So let's see if that'll continue. We are bullish GLD. And the futures, really same type of thing. A little heavier sell volume on the OP with the blue line. Price holds the previous low. So again, we think precious metals can dig out of here. Same thing with the silver. You can see new lows even out to here, while price is still holding up at higher lows. The dollar, we've been talking about being a bearish the dollar. You can see that here. New highs here on the dollar index, while volume is not supporting it. Also, that's bearish. We had that pop up there Tuesday. We then retraced most of that. So we look for the dollar to work lower. Bitcoin, not much more to add here at the moment. We are looking for a pullback. No real sell signal off of the OP or the force or the technometer. We did have an overbought technometer back there at 50,000. Technometer's neutral. We'd like to see a little bit more pullback here in Bitcoin and some of these coins to give us a oversold tech reading and a possible buy entry again. Ethereum, same type of thing. Some short-term outperformance here. Let's see if we can get a pullback. And then last but not least, let's look at Apple. We did give a sell on Apple in our stock Discord. And so far, so good. We are short around 189.17, I believe was the exact number. You can see here, if we zoom in here a little bit, let's look at this chart. A lot of classic Wyckoff here. Buying climax, automatic reaction, secondary test, a spring, and then we had an upthrust with a test, what we called a sign of weakness, last point of supply. You can see here the one reason we took this trade, you can see continued buying in this OP, even clear back to here. So we've had new highs in the blue line while price up thrusted and then tested twice and a last point of supply. So this chart does not look good. Technometer 47.10. We look for this 180 level to give away, that 179 level. Let's go down and see if we can look at the 172 level. We have shown the point figure chart on social media. That points down to 145 to 155. So if this stock does break down, you would think that the stock indices, as mentioned previous, would see some weakness. All right, have a great week trading and good luck.